ChatGPT productivity tools pricing explained what you get for your money. Most people get this wrong. They think ChatGPT is just a chatbot. The surprising truth is that Chat can automate tasks, generate content, answer questions, and even help with coding. But pricing affects what features and usage you actually get. Free plans give access to basic ChatGPT features with limits on message volume and response speed. It's great for casual users experimenting with AI or handling simple productivity tasks like drafting emails or brainstorming ideas. ChatGPT Plus per month unlocks access to GPT-4. This provides faster responses, higher reliability, and better context understanding. Professionals who use AI for writing, research, or programming see immediate value because the output is more accurate and nuanced. Enterprise plans, custom priced, include API access, advanced integrations, and usage scaling. Businesses use these to automate workflows, generate reports, or integrate AI into internal tools, unlocking efficiencies impossible with the free version. Most people get this wrong by assuming free access is enough for serious work. The real value comes from choosing the right tier that matches your needs: individual productivity, professional writing, or full-scale business automation. In conclusion, ChatGPT pricing from free to enterprise reflects capability, speed, and scalability. Selecting the right plan ensures maximum productivity and ROI for personal or business use.